Hi guys! So today I'm going to be sharing what I recently got from Gucci. So there wasn't any sale or anything, and I actually saw online, I think it was on Reddit, that someone said that Gucci hasn't had a sale since 2016. But basically what happened was that I have this aged silver bracelet from Troll Beads. I got a lock, a bracelet, this bead, and a few more other beads, and the total amount came up to 1,600, 1,700. And what I was actually looking for more aged silver bracelet and bangles, and I came across this one from Gucci, and the price was pretty similar, so I decided to get it. I went to the Gucci store in KLCC and I found one that fits me, and it was in very good condition, so I decided to get it. These are what I got, and this one is actually just my receipt and card on how to take care, as well as their exchange policy. They also sent me an online receipt via email. Here we have the box, and there's actually a card where you can write something, but it's for me, so I'm not really writing anything. But I mean, it's nice to have the card as well. And here we have the box. So nicely wrapped. Let's open it up. The box has a pink Gucci snake, so very cute. Inside we have this very cute pink snake pouch as well. And then here we have the bracelet. So this one is the double G bracelet in silver. Another reason why I decided to get this was because the price on the US website was $430, but here in Malaysia it only cost 1,670, so slightly cheaper than the US price. And I thought the price was reasonable enough. It's very heavy. It's made of silver. The look kind of reminds me a bit of chrome hearts with that aged silver effect. There's a double GG, very Marmont looking. The bracelet that I got is in size 17, if you guys can see the marking inside. On the other inside we have Gucci, if I can focus. And I really like the simple and vintage looking look of it. So to put it on, So I heard from the sales assistant that you can actually slightly bend this as well if you want to tighten it or if you want to loosen it. So I didn't really have to tighten or loosen it. And yeah, it looks really good. So if you guys are looking for a pretty affordable silver bracelet from Gucci, I really recommend this one because the look is very nice. Very vintage looking. It's very simple, to be honest, I feel. And I can probably use this for daily wear. So this bracelet also came with a matching ring, which was 1,000 something ringgit. I'll put the price here, which is also cheaper than the US price. So if you want to be matching, you can get it as well. But I don't really have that much cash right now. And I thought the ring looked nice as well, but I think that the bracelet looks even nicer, so I decided to get it. There are 13 GGs, 11 small ones, and 2 big ones at the end. I don't really believe in unlucky numbers, so I don't really mind it. The smaller size 16 has 11 GGs, so I think the number changes with the size. And yeah, I really like this bracelet. So hope you guys liked this short unboxing, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.